Somebody's buying bolo. Somebody's buying bolo. I need your love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Hey lovelies, and welcome back to yet another vlog. So today we are, yes, we're coming back from school run. I'm just going to drop my eldest son off at school. Dana, I'm talking to people. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so give me 2 minutes, okay? All right, so I've just gone to drop off English. I'm just going to drop off my eldest at school, and we're going back home right now. But we want to stop off at the shops to pick up 1 or 2 things for the week. We need some few groceries, fruits and things like that. So we'll be taking you guys along. Dan.
Yeah. Hello.
So if this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please do want to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright you guys, I'll catch up with you in the course of the vlog.
Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Alright, so Dana, let's start with fruits.
What?
Let's start with fruits.
What is it? It's the pineapple. We're going to buy some toast too.
Yeah, we're going to the oranges now. We're getting crowded now, aren't we? Here we go.
Thank you. Mom, go that way.
You help mommy, okay? Help mommy. You put them down. There we go.
Buy a lot of things, Mom.
Yeah.
Why should we buy a lot of?
Because you eat a lot.
Oh!
Yes, because you eat a lot. That's why.
Mom, can you see a toy over there?
Oh, no, we're not buying any toys, okay? We came for fruits and bread, okay?
Mom, can I help?
Can you reach? And a big apple.
Did you see that? I found it now. There we are. I think I get over there. I want to get out now.
Say hello and bye.
Hi.
Okay, it wasn't so bad. I will admit that. If you get them to help you, it's not so bad. It's when they don't have anything to do that they start misbehaving.
Flash.
By the way, we ran into one of his classmates. Alright, so this is what we bought. This is just our fruits and just a little stock up for the week. And we did this at Morrison's because at this point there's really no difference between Aldi and Morrison's. So we got 3 tubs of grapes. This is the mixed one, this is the red, and this is the green. We also got a refill pack of the Savers hot chocolate. We also bought golden Costa brown sugar. So we got 2 bunches of banana. We also got this bag of apples. I also picked up this bundle of green onions. I love to have this in my kitchen. I just put this on my windowsill. I'll show you how I do that. And then I picked up some bread for the boys, bagels for me, lemon because you guys know I cannot drink tea without lemon, and then some citrus for the boys as well. So all together we spent £18.63. £18.63 for fruits and bread alone. Things have cost. What can you do? You guys remember my fruit bowl from the thrift store? It's a bit dirty, so I'm just going to clean it up. It's wood, and I don't feel like I want to wash it because I don't want it to start tarnishing or fading. So I'm just going to give it a good wipe down. And finally take off the tag. You guys can still see the £3 in there. I don't know why I left that in there for this long.
Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's buying polo. I need you love today. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed.
Now this section of the video is sponsored by Amazchef. They have sent me this juicer that I have been trying to get my hands on for quite some time. Now you guys know that I've been trying to lose weight for God knows how long. If you guys follow my food channel, you know that I've been doing a lot of smoothies, and you know I've just been taking a lot of fluids. I've also gone back on my intermittent fasting. I have dropped some weight, but it's not as fast as I want it to be. So with Amazchef, what they do is they have kitchen equipment that, you know, just make your life easier. There's another attachment that they're still going to send to me later this month, and I cannot wait to unbox it with you. So there's a recipe guide, so just in case you are new to juicing or, you know, juice blends and things like that, they have a booklet that comes with recipes, so it's easier for you to use. There's also a manual that comes with the equipment. Honestly, you guys, just get ready to be seeing this juicer in almost every vlog here on out, because it is such a very versatile equipment to have in the kitchen. I'm using this to juice my lemons. You guys know that my tea drinking game is about to be lit, because I am one person that loves lemon. Tangy food is that's my go-to. I am not someone that would put milk in my tea, so I always have lemon on hand. So if you see me going to the grocery store, I always have lemon, and this just saves me the whole juicing process. It juices out all of the liquid from the lemon, and look at the pulp that I have here. It's almost dry to the touch, and all I have is 100% lemon juice with no hassle at all. I'm just going to transfer this into a bottle and set that aside while I go ahead and show you what else this juicer can do. I'm going to go ahead and juice some grapes as well. This is a whole tub of grapes that I've washed. By the way, you guys, I took down all the parts of the juicer and I washed it completely before I started juicing, so you might want to do that as well. And this is all the liquid that I was able to get from one tub of grapes. I'm going to transfer that into a bottle as well and then show you what else this juicer can do. I'm going ahead to do something a little more challenging, and this is carrots. You guys, when I tell you that this juicer crushed the carrots into smithereens, like it was really amazing to watch. I didn't even have to push it down so much. And look at the pulp from the carrots. Now this one is actually quite interesting because you can use the pulp of the carrot. I'm going to be showing you that in subsequent vlogs, but for the purpose of this video, this is the juice. I'm transferring that to a bottle and I'll set that aside. I'm also going to go ahead and make this green blend or this green juice. This is something I saw online and I wanted to try this combination out. So it has pineapples, apple, cucumber, kiwi, grapes, ginger, kale, and something else I can't remember now. But anyway, you guys, this is the juice. It was so sweet. When I tell you that there was no, I didn't even have to add honey. This was so refreshing. Hey guys, so it is midday and I've dropped off my baby at school. I just want to get to Aldi and pick up some more fruits. That juicer is just giving me joy right now, and I want to get some more fruits. I want to get some pineapple and cucumber and maybe some kiwi. So I just got back from Aldi now, and these are the things I bought over there. But there's only one thing on my mind right now, and it is Gary and chilled cold water with ice block inside. I don't really see the difference between Morrison's and Aldi anymore, because earlier when I went to Morrison's with Daniel, I saw pineapple there and they were selling their pineapples for 99 pence for one, and in Aldi I picked this up for 95 pence. So what's the difference really? Before you could find a difference of about 20 pence. Aldi has been known to be like the safe haven for affordable groceries. Is now almost going head to head or toe to toe with bigger stores like Morrison's. At this point, everybody's just wondering, what's the difference? As I was going to pick up the Vaseline lotion for the boys, the aloe vera one. And when I saw this in Aldi, I just picked it up thinking it was Vaseline. But I had to look at it closely to realize that this is Lacura. And Lacura is like the brand for Aldi when it comes to their skincare range. And it smells almost the same. It's actually very moisturizing because I tried it out. I had to switch from their E45. Their E45 was not cutting it during winter. Even though I bought coconut oil, I put it in it. I bought extra virgin oil, I put it inside it. It did not solve the problem. My boys were scaling, their skin were going whitish, and it was an eyesore. So I had to take them off that and return them to Ori. Thank God I still have Ori. So now they can switch to a regular lotion, and this is what I'm trying them out with. You guys, how have you been? How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing all right. I'm just checking in to see that, everybody's doing okay. So you guys, the next day I was at it again. This time around it was watermelon, and we had watermelon juice. We had 100% watermelon juice. And I can tell you that for the next 5 days after I got this blender, we were just juicing. So I was testing the boys out to see if they would like the watermelon juice or they just wanted their watermelon the regular way. But they really liked it, so I poured them a bigger portion. And they loved it. But here's what they had to say about it.
It tastes so good, Mommy.
You like it? Amazchef, thank you so much for sending me this juicer. And this is the real 100% juice. Seriously.
After all